y'all, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, y'all, I am just doing a little bit of cleaning. I wanted to take some time to just kind of clean up around my deck area, because remember, that's kind of where we left off from working outside in the yard. And y'all, let me just say, today is literally 75 degrees. That's the high. It is so hot out here, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how warm it is. So I figured I would just go ahead and take this opportunity, get outside, do a little bit of yard work, and yeah, just kind of get the yard ready and prepped for spring. So then that way, come spring, I won't have a whole lot of work to do. So I want to show you guys the space I've been working in. I do want to say right quickly that I actually put these cardboards out because I wanted to clean my gutters. And that's what I've been doing. I've been cleaning my gutters, and I really didn't want to get a lot of the leaves in my flower bed that I actually, cleaned up a couple of weeks ago. So I actually had the cardboards on top. I had them laid on top. So then that way when the leaves blew, they blew on top of the cardboard. Now, granted, some did land in the flower bed, but it's not nearly as much as what it could have been, which is this mess here. So that's why I have the cardboards laying here, but I'm going to be putting those back in my storage house. I try to keep some cardboard on hand, especially when I have little projects, but in the meantime, the area that I'm going to be just kind of straightening up and cleaning a little bit is basically going to be the deck area. So like I told you guys before, I'm in the process right now of, just cleaning out my gutters. And that's why you see all the leaves on the deck area, because that's what I've been doing. And I'm almost done. I only have about, let's see here. So where the ladder is at currently, that's about how much I have remaining. Just that little piece here, because I've already blowed out the leaves and cleaned this entire area. So everything is clean, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. But anyway, let's go ahead and finish cleaning up my gutters, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and give my deck area a nice little refresh. So let's get started. So I do want to show you all what the deck looks like at the moment. Again, a lot of these leaves, I should say, came from my gutters. Granted, there were leaves already on the deck, but yeah, this is why there's so much of it, because I just cleaned out my gutter. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of do some prepping here, dump some of these little pots here with the water, and just kind of give this space a nice little clean refresh, because with these warmer temperatures, y'all, look, your girl want to come out here, sit down, have a cup of coffee, and just enjoy. I mean, honestly. So yeah, just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick overview of what everything looks like at the moment. Granted, I did just pull the sectional away from the wall just to kind of make room for the ladder so I can clean the gutter. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and give this area a nice refresh. So then that way, again, this would mean less work for me for spring. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. So here you can see my string lights. There's a portion of it that's fallen. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang those back up. So yeah, and let me just show you guys what I used to hang them. I actually use the Christmas light hooks. So I previously used Christmas light hooks to hang up these lights on my house. So I'm gonna see if I have any more of these. Hopefully I do, so I can go ahead and rehang them. All right, y'all, so I am in the process of cleaning up the landscape around my deck area, so the flower beds. I'm going to quickly just kind of show you guys what that area looks like at the moment. All right, quickly, let me just show you guys what this area looks like. You might recall a few weeks ago when we had some snow and sleet, I actually cleaned up around this space here, planted some beautiful pansies. And so this area looks pretty good. So I'm just going to continue that by just kind of cleaning up the flower bed around the deck space. And I hope you guys pay attention to how I'm breaking these projects up. So I cleaned up one area, so now I'm going to focus on this space here around the deck. And then I'm going to stop right here in this corner area here. And you can see that I also have some, these are lantanas. Those are those orange, pretty orange and pink, yellow color lantanas. I'll post a picture of it in the corner to show you what they look like. They come back every year. So yeah, I've had these flowers blooming like this now for the past 3 to 4 years. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is break down all these sticks, break it all the way down to the ground, clean out the flower bed, and then I'm going to also trim up my azaleas. These are azaleas. So just trim them up, have them looking nice and neat. And then once I've done that, I'll go ahead and add some fresh new mulch. So that's what I'm about to do. And again, this is just my way of prepping my yard space like a pre-spring sort of cleanup. Winter / pre-spring. So it is such a beautiful, gorgeous day. It's literally like 70 degrees right now. And the time is like about 5:38 p.m. And y'all know, not that long ago at 5:30, it was pitch black outside. So the time is definitely changing. The days are starting to become a lot longer, which is fantastic in my case, because once I'm done working and I get home, there's still enough daylight outside where I can come and work out in the yard a little bit. So I'm so excited about that. So if you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Carolina. And if this is the type of content you enjoy and find interesting, I would absolutely love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my existing subscribers, welcome back, you guys. All right, so here's what it looks like after I raked up all the leaves. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna sweep off the brick edging. So here's how that looks. The only other thing I want to do, and I'll probably do it tomorrow because it's actually a little late, I want to go ahead and trim up these azalea hedges. Just trim those up really nice. And then I'll add some fresh new mulch to this space. The flower bed around the deck will then be about 80% completed. And I say 80% because I still have to do the back of it. But again, this is just me splitting up my projects. By the time I get home from work, it's already 5:30. And so it doesn't really give me a whole lot of time to come out here. And so this will be an area here that I will tackle by itself. Okay, and yeah, so this whole area, I've already started cleaning out some of the leaves over here in this space, but I'll probably combine the two and just make that one separate video, and that'll probably be coming up really soon. But in the meantime, I'm gonna call it a night for right now, and in Sunday's video this should be completed, as well as the deck area as well. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys my progress so far on tonight. I meant to post this on Wednesday, but I wasn't able to get out here Wednesday. So just figured I'll go ahead and post this on Thursday. But let me just show you guys what the rest of the yard is looking like. So you can see I got these piles of leaves that I have to rake up. But for the most part, the yard is looking really nice. Now the area here in this landscape, I'm probably not going to, I'm going to use the blower to just kind of blow out most of the leaves, I guess. And then, you know, blow out the rocks, because of course the leaves are hiding the rocks. Remember, I have the beautiful rock bed here. So, and then I'll probably add some fresh new mulch, but I probably won't do that until closer to the spring. And then of course, this will be the next major project. But before I can do anything in this area, there are a couple of tall trees that I want to actually have professionally removed. So this space is a hot mess, but this is going to be a separate project, a separate video. This is something that we'll probably do later in the spring or close to summer, but this is going to be a huge landscaping project that I basically have in mind. So yeah, I'm excited. Everything is starting to come together, and it's just February. How nice. Now I do have to rake up this little area here by the fence. Not that much. Most of it I already cleaned up, and you can kind of see that here. So you can kind of see where I've cleaned up all the leaves from around the fence, and I still have this little bit here left. All right, y'all, so I think I'm gonna stop off tonight right here. So on Sunday's video, I'll decorate the deck area. We'll go ahead and finish mulching around the deck space, the area that we cleaned in today's video. And yeah, so that will be one more huge project completed. So the deck will be clean, made over. I'm excited. I feel like I'm making slow progress, but progress nonetheless. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, you guys, I will see you all on Sunday.